Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to reset your Chrome browser. First, open Chrome and click the three vertical dots in the top right corner to access the menu. From there, select Settings to open a new tab. This initial step is crucial for navigating to the correct options. It's a simple way to address performance problems or unwanted changes without losing your essential data. Let's get started. Once you're in the Settings tab, scroll all the way down to the bottom. You might need to click Advanced to reveal more options. Look for the Reset Settings section. This is where the magic happens. Clicking this will present you with the specific reset choices. Don't worry, we'll guide you through each step to ensure a smooth process. It's designed to be straightforward. Now, click on Restore Settings to their original defaults. A small pop-up window will appear, clearly outlining what will be affected by the reset. It will mention disabling extensions and clearing temporary data, but importantly, it confirms your bookmarks and saved passwords are safe. Review this information, then click the Reset Settings button to finalize the process. Your browser will then return to its fresh state. After the reset, Chrome will restart, and you'll notice a cleaner, faster experience. You can then go back into your extensions and re-enable only the ones you truly need, one by one. This helps prevent any problematic extensions from causing issues again. Enjoy your refreshed browser. Also, for other great deals and the link to those amazing darn tough socks with a lifetime warranty, make sure to check the description below. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.